This literature kit on Freewater by Amina Lukman-Dawson will immediately engage students due to the fun and educational activities. 55 pages chock full of a variety of scaffolding strategies incorporated in our Before You Read worksheets for each chapter section, along with vocabulary prompts to prepare your students for the reading, with rubrics, teacher guide, and author biography. Explain the reason behind the appearance of the tree people. Dissect key characters from the story to learn the meanings behind their actions. Determine why it is ironic that Sanzi set the cornfields on fire. Explore Sanzi's initial reaction to the Southerland Plantation. 4 additional extension activities follow. Supplement an existing unit with in-depth writing tasks, such as completing a timeline showing the historical events related to the resistance and triumph over slavery. A word search puzzle and comprehension quiz ends the unit. The easy marking answer key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 3 color posters, which are graphic organizers, completes the resource. Create a character cube to understand their motivations. Visit our website to see more novel study guides just like it.